Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox a external Blu-ray writable drive, and you might wonder, in 2024 do people really still use Blu-rays? Well, one of the reasons is that I want to start with PlayStation 3 emulation, and you can see that I have the PlayStation 3, so you might wonder, why do I still need an extra drive for it? Well, I haven't installed a custom firmware on this, and it's also easier to use an external drive because that way I can rip the games, here are two examples, directly to the computer where I'm going to do the emulation. So some people say that emulation, that it is only for pirates, but here you can see I still have the hardware, I still have the games, so this is definitely not piracy. So with that out of the way, let's have a look at the Blu-ray drive. So they shipped it in a very big box. So here it is. It is an LG BP55EB40. Okay. So we have a sticker. Okay, so what do we have here? Looks like USB 2 cables or cable. Oh, and I think it's one of those cables where you can connect two ports at the same time. Yeah, so this is what they call a Y cable. So this one has power and data, and when the USB 2 port doesn't supply enough power, you can add another USB port to get the extra power, and this one goes to the drive itself. Well, it's perhaps in Japanese or Chinese, I don't know, but I can't really read it. So what's this? Media suite for Blu-ray, the most complete collection of award-winning multimedia software, Cyberlink. Okay, so probably that's most of the time just a Windows version to write Blu-rays. Okay, so it looks like very shiny, so I think it still has some plastic protection covers on it. You can also see some bubbles. There's a button. Usually that's to eject. And that's it, I guess. I don't know if there's any emergency release. So, but I also have another one. So this is a Pioneer. That one is a bit smaller and also has one of those Y cables. But the micro SD connector is a bit different. You can see this. So it's got an extra connector, you could say, next to the micro USB connector. So this one is a bit wider than just the micro USB. And just to explain, this Pioneer, I think if I'm lucky with the correct firmware, I can rip 4K Blu-ray. But this one, the Pioneer, is not listed as compatible to rip PlayStation 3 games. I already tried it, but it didn't work. So hopefully with this LG, that I'm able to easily rip PlayStation 3 games. So hopefully my next video will be RPCS3 on my AMD Ryzen 8845HS. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.